I am defining the errors in the verb. First sentence, by the time you called, I am finishing my dinner. It's the big mistake in the clause. There are two clauses. And the grammatically, you say that there are two clauses comes with one tense in the present, in the past, in the future. They are these clauses are different in the present tenses. First clause means first clause in the past. By the time you called means is the past simple. I am finishing my dinner. It is the present continuous tense. You change this clause and the correction is I was finishing my dinner. Second is this sentence she was remembering the details about the accident. She was means this remembering is the means about you read the definition of this means present past continuous tense say that your action is start in the present, that means present and the ending is the past. You I means you write in the present past when past continuous tense, this tense you write in the past simple. She remembered the details about the accident. The train is departing on an hour ago. The train, which ago is the sign of past simple tense. Ago, you cannot use the present simple, means present continuous tense. The train departed an hour ago. By next week, you are finishing all the preparation. It is the big mistake because by the next week means that next week is coming. It's not come in the present means you not do in the action in the present. They are coming. This action is will be right in the future tense. Like that, you will have finish all the preparation. They did didn't finish his work by the time the manager asked. It is the big mistake is finished because they didn't write in the sentence means in the interrogative. You can remove es and s means five v5 and you write only finish it like that. He did finish his work by the time the manager asked. Thank you.
So greetings from Asadulwadi. Today I am standing in front of you to delivering my presentation the errors in verb. Okay, so let's start from my one sentence. If I was knowing about the exam, I would have studied earlier. So there is a mistake in we can say verb was knowing. Here I am saying there was knowing. There is a was knowing, but there is a mistake. Was knowing should be was knowing is incorrect. It should be had known. Had known as we use the past perfect for unreal past. Okay, so there was a mistake was knowing. So let's move another sentence. Neither of the options are setting for our needs at the moment. So there is a error in our setting. Our setting is the error. So this is the incorrect. So this is the incorrect. Now it should be set because neither takes a singular verb. Okay. So let's move another sentence number 3. Okay, the books along. Sorry. Each of the participants were given a certificate at the end of the session. So each of the participants were given a certificate at the end of the session. So there is the error were given as the error. This is the incorrect. So it should be were given. It should be was given because each is singular. Okay. Now let's move on. So the team has been working on the project since 2 weeks without a break. The team has been working on the project since 2 weeks without a break. So there is an error since 2 weeks. Since weeks is the error. Since 2 weeks is the error because since 2 weeks should be for 2 weeks because since is used with the specific point in the time. Okay. Now let's move last one sentence. If we would have studied, she could pass the exam easily. So there mistake would have studied. Would have studied is the incorrect. We can so it should be had studied because third conditional uses past perfect in the. So thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Vivek San, and today I'm here to deliver my presentation on my topic is error in the verb. My first sentence is she do not understand this question. Here is simple mistake. we can do is mistake, we can replace it on this sentence. Do can replace it, and we can put it into the does, not understand on this question. And second one is this: the baby cry loudly when hungry. Here is cry in the mistake of in this sentence, where we can use the cries. The baby cries loudly when he hungry. And third one is the goes to the gym every morning. Here is mistake on this sentence is goes. We can replace on this word and use it go. And fourth one is he play the football with his team. Here is mistake on this sentence is one the play. Here we can use on plays. We can put in the s on this sentence. I am, and the last one is I am knowing this answer of this problem. Here is mistake is simple mistake. They can know, we can knowing, we can replace it, we can use it know. I am know the answer is in this questions. So thank you.
Greeting from all, this is good, and today I talk about the topic that is errors in verb. So my first sentence is she do not likes eating vegetables. There is a mistake there, that is she do not. In the singular verb we use this does, and the plural we use do. So there is a mistake there. We correct this. The she doesn't like eating vegetable. So the second sentence is he go to the gym every morning. There is a same mistake, that was the go he is a singular verb and there is a go, and we use es for that singular. So the correct one is second, he goes to the gym every morning. And the third is the teacher explains the topic while the students was listening. There is a mistake, that the last mistake, and the last mistake was the past tense. So there were we use the correct this, and the corrected sentence is the teacher explains the topic while students are listening. And the last one is everyone in the group are working hard to complete the task. There is a mistake, that in the everyone in the group there is a singular, so we use is. So the correct sentence is everyone in the group is working hard to complete the task. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aisha. Today is my presentation, and my presentation topic is errors in verb. Now, my first sentence: he went to Hyderabad when I have reached. This sentence is incorrect because present simple cannot use with present perfect tense. So, and when also when show present perfect tense. So we convert past simple into present simple tense. He goes to Hyderabad when I have reached. Number second sentence is he is solving the physics problem hardly. Here is hardly show present simple, and he is solving the physics problem sentence is present continuous. So we we change present continuous tense into present simple. He solved the physics problem hardly. And second, we have celebrated the event tonight. Here is tonight show a present continuous, a sign of present continuous, and we have celebrated the event is present perfect. So we change present perfect continuous, present perfect tense. We are celebrating the event tonight. I am already finishing dinner. Guests come. This sentence is present continuous, and here is already show sign of present perfect. Now we change. I have already finished dinner. Guests come. Thank you.
Greetings from Ahmadiyya. Today I'm here to discuss about errors in the verbs. So I have written some 5 sentences in front of you to discuss about them and make you help to find the errors from them. So here comes the first sentence. That is, the new employee hasn't been trained properly, which is why he is struggling with the task. Now here see this there is the error in the first clause, that is the new employee hasn't been. So if you have to, this is the present perfect tense. So if you see the if you see the structure of present perfect tense, here you have to use has plus verbs third form, and here yeah, the verb using is that hasn't been. It means there is a using has plus verbs fourth form. So you have to use has plus past participle form of the being, that is been. You have to, the correct sentence will be the new employee hasn't been trained properly, which is why he is struggling with the task. So come towards another sentence, second sentence, that is by the time I will has arrived, they will have been eating dinner. So here also the error in the first clause, that is by the time I will has arrived. So you have to use you are not able to use by the time I will has arrived. You have to use have, because with the mod will is also a model verb. You have to use base form with the will, and the base form of the has verb is have, and you have to use by the time I will have arrived, they will have been eating dinner. It is the correct sentence. Now move towards the third one, that is the company have been expanding rapidly since its inceptions, but it doesn't seems to be slowing down. Now here in this sentence there are two errors. The first error is that the company have been expanding. So see, we have using the definite article with a word with a noun company. So it means we are describing, we are explaining, we are discussing about a single company. And when your noun will be singular, you have to use has with a singular helping verb with this according to the subject verb agreement. So you have to use has at this place, at the place of have. So you have to use the company has been expanding rapidly since its inceptions, but it doesn't seems. So here the doesn't seems is the word is using does, and you are not able to use s or es form with any verb in the presence of does or do. So the correct sentence will be the company has been expanding rapidly since its inceptions, but it doesn't seem to be slowing down. Now move forward to fourth sentence, that is the new policy has been implemented successfully, but it doesn't seem to be having the desired effect. So here also the error in the first clause, that is the new policy has been implemented. So here this is also the sentence of present perfect, and you have to use past participle with the has been, that and the verb's form is implemented. So the correct sentence will be the new policy has been implemented successfully, but it doesn't seem to be having the desired effect.
We are having the presentation on the errors in verbs, guys. This topic is used in in many tests and many English tests. For example, you are participating in CSS exam, then that will help you clear your basics, or you can say your advanced level. There are some of the sentences which can mean some tenses setting, like which sentence carry that sentence, like present simple present plus present simple is correct. You can use both of now. Another like present continuous plus present simple plus present perfect plus present perfect continuous is also correct. Present continuous plus present continuous is incorrect. So like that, and there are also some more of the sentence like that. Now let's move towards the example, like he has been lived in Lahore for 2010. Now if you see and observe the sentence, then there will be the mistake of the main verb, like he has been living. It will not be lived, but it will be living. And the another mistake, that is of for. Then apart instead of using for, we will use that he has been living in Lahore since 2010. We work on the science project these days. Now these days is the time frame of a continuous tense. We will use the ink form with a sentence, and plus is helping verb, like we are working on the science project these days. This will be the correct. Another sentence that is that she had wanted to attend the seminar, but her schedule doesn't allow it because of prior commitments. Now, see, present perfect plus present simple is incorrect. So we have to make it like she wants to attend. She wants to attend the seminar, but her schedule doesn't allow it because of her prior commitments. Now here I used first sentence as present simple and second sentence also as present simple, and present simple plus present simple is the correct. Another is I cannot talk to him. He works on an application. So there will be he is working on an application. Another sentence that I will go. Sorry, I go for the morning walk tomorrow. He is also joining me. Now present simple. Um, now the what is the mistake? That is the time frame. Tomorrow I have used it tomorrow. So we will use here future simple plus present continuous. Like I will go for the morning walk tomorrow, and he is also joining me. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Nadeem. To I am here to explain errors in verbs of present tense. Errors in verbs. I have the first sentence. He leaves for the train now. Here in this sentence, it may seems correct to you, but there is a mistake. Here I have used now. Now is a continuous time frame, so its correct will be he is leaving for the train now. And my second sentence is the train is the teacher is delivering the lecture while we write it. Here I have used while, but I have used both both tenses correctly, but I have used while, and after while I have used we write it, but now we use continuous tense after while. The its correct will be the teacher delivers the lecture while we are writing it. And my third sentence is, what are you selling? I am selling herbs. Now now you see that there are both continuous sentences. Then you may you may you may think that is incorrect, but it is the correct sentence. It is not incorrect. When there is one is question and other is answer, it can be in both continuous. And my fourth sentence is, he is going to gym daily, but he has not lost the weight. Here he is going to gym daily. Daily is a time phrase, and it is a work that is done continuously day by day. So here we will use the present simple tense. He goes to gym daily, but he has not lost his weight. And my fifth sentence is, they are playing since morning. Here, since morning is showing that we should use the perfect continuous tense. So its correct will be, they have been playing since morning.
Hello everybody, my name is Saifullah Kumar. Today we have the presentation which is on the errors in the verb. So here I have a first sentence that is, they eat dinner at the 7 p.m. every night. Here we have the sign that every night is the sign of present simple tense. That here in this sentence I have a error that eats. So they is a plural subject. So we used here is well, eats that in eats here eats is s. So we need to correct it eat. So another sentence that you are looking gorgeous while you are wearing that dress. Here while is a sign of a present continuous tense. So in this sentence we have a two present continuous tense. So we need to correct it. You are look gorgeous while you are wearing that dress. Another sentence that is the children play outside right now. So in this sentence we have also a clue that is right now. Right now is a clue of present continuous tense. So we need to correct it. The children is playing outside right now. Another sentence that is, the teacher gives the student their assignment when we reach there. So this sentence is a complex sentence. In we used here when is the sign of present perfect tense. So we need to correct it. The teacher gives the student their assignment when we reach there. The last sentence is he usually worked for his family. In this sentence, we have a clue of usually. Usually is used in present simple tense. So present simple tense, we need to correct it. Here we have the third form of a verb. So he usually worked for his family. That's it.